Hi there, it is class project time. Don't think of it as homework, think of it as ways to practice what you've just learned so that it sinks in there good. Okay, this project is to practice the select subject we learned in the last video. To find this kind of class projects list, you can go into your exercise files and there it is there. It's called class projects. Open it up and we're going to be starting at this one here, select subject. So the files to use is in a folder called project 0. So I'll show you where they are in your downloaded exercise files in O2 selections, and there it is there, class project 0. Okay, and we're going to be using all three of these. I want you to basically just use your skills to mask this one here onto number C. That's a letter C. And do the same thing with this B option here. So basically these two models onto this background. So you'll have to use the select subject plus a little bit of the select and mask. Because these are very different kind of shots of models, you're going to have to mess around with this background to get them to kind of, you might have to play with the levels of this one. Use your existing Photoshop skills to try and get them to blend nicely. You might have to blur the background. Up to you. But once you've got them together and you've got a reasonably good mask, I'd love for you to share it. So up here is the ways to share. So the easiest way is on the website here. Go to the assignments part and share what you've done. Sometimes it's easier just to use the comments, but most importantly, share them with me. Okay, share them with me on Instagram, on Twitter, or my Facebook group. If you ask for criticism, I will give you some polite stuff. You can just share it up there and not ask for any criticism and just be proud of what you've done. Practice, practice. All right, go ahead and do your homework and I will see you in the next video.